About damn time.
BigLipTV. Hey yo, what's on and it's poppin'? The way we be rockin', the whole world watchin'. BigLipTV. Celeb profiling, the way we be wildin', the rappers freestylin'. BigLipTV. From the concerts, the clubs, the way that we bugs, the whole world love. BigLipTV.
Yo, what up, Zxulu, Big Lip Bandit? Oh!
She made your way right here in the flesh. BigLipTV.
First episode, classic episode.
We gotta do it big.
Queen Elizabeth is in the building.
Queen E, via London to VA. King shit, man. Who does it like us, man?
Adjust your remote.
BigLipTV.
Wow.
BigLipTV.
Skits.
BigLipTV.
Interviews.
BigLipTV.
Concerts.
BigLipTV.
Queen Elizabeth is in the building.
It's going down, man.
It's Big Lip Television.
We live, we hood, we here. Fuck it.
See, I knew what happened to me was a cover-up. U.S. Navy Training Academy, huh? I'm thinking, what does that got to do with me? There were 2 audio selections to download. I was wondering what was on them, but I wasn't ready for what I was about to hear. No, I wasn't.
Transmission 15 Alpha 5-Bravo 07. To the persons or persons who have discovered this transmission, please be advised that you are in grave danger. Please note, you are now receiving top secret documented information that's helped expose the biggest cover-up in world history. This universal cover-up being known as
The Zxulu code. I got y'all. Yo, I got y'all. Y'all thought there was some real drama going on. BigLipTV making our way down to the General Assembly in Richmond, where Queen Elizabeth is scheduled to appear. So we have time to follow this guy right here into a convenience store.
The British are coming.
We in the building, the Queen is in town. We're talking to people inside a convenience store.
We already kicked the British out of our country.
Wow.
Queen doesn't want to see us, so we're not going to go see her.
What's your name, huh? Joey. Are you down for the Queen today? You're not going to see the Queen? You're not going to see Rory? It's not something you can do.
Well, one, I'm working. 2, I think someone's going to get pretty screwed up down there.
Like how? Like,
think about what's been happening in the past year, and you mix the Queen in with the random people have down Richmond.
dude, see the Queen?
Was.
Where you from?
3. I'm from Harrisonburg, Virginia.
Harrisonburg. Are you excited? So, if they picked you out of the crowd and said, hey, you have exactly 1 minute to ask the Queen anything that you want.
Has she placed her trust in Jesus Christ for her salvation?
Great question.
Because I don't think she has really any power, right?
Good question. I gotta shake your hand.
Yeah, dude.
Give us a boop. Oh! Stop in the name of love. You not seeing the Queen? Sweetheart on the phone, you not seeing the Queen? Forget you then, bitch. Welcome to the World Slapboxing Championship, where this man, Larry Thunderpalms Johnson, will defend his crown. We now go live to ringside, where our Big Lip correspondent is speaking with Larry. I'm your host, Dick Inyamuff, and I'm here with Larry Thunderpalms Johnson, the World Slapboxing Association champion. Larry, you've been training for this event. How is your vigorous training? What are the steps you go about to train for such a fight?
We slapping kids, you know, niggas around here. Different people, you know, slapping niggas around, man.
You stop digging in your nose.
I ain't digging in my nose, man, you know.
That was the World Slapboxing Champion taking on this man, Tommy Pretty Tips to Roy. We now go live back to ringside, where our Big Lip correspondent, Dick, is speaking with Tommy about tonight's events. Can I hit that? Thank you. Challenger, you're going up against Larry Thunderpalms Johnson tonight. He's a champion. What does it take for you to train for such an event?
You know, wake up, eat a bowl of cereal, smack your shit out somebody. Whoever's close, you know, not too much.
So smacking the shit out of people, that's what you do at the door?
Pretty much. That's what I went to school for. Got my degree in smacking the shit out of anybody.
You have a degree in smacking the shit out of people. How do you study for that?
You know, just, you know, wake up, various people, go to various hoods, smacking the shit out of anybody, randomly. A lot of people know me out there. They remember.
So, what do you expect to put on the champion tonight? I mean, exactly what do you think it's going to take for you to get this win tonight?
See, last night I was asleep, but I was marinating my hand in some chicken grease, and I haven't washed it all day. So, you know what that means, right? I'm going to smack the shit out of this guy. He going to remember me.
Well, there you hear it. He's going to smack the shit out of this guy. This is Dick in your mouth, reporting for the WBSA, World Boxing Slapboxing Championship. We'll be back. So there you have it, ladies and gentlemen, tonight's card. Larry Thunder Palms Johnson takes on Tommy Pretty Tips Chiroy for the World Slapboxing Championship. Let's go down the ringside. Both fighters are in the ring, and here comes the bell, and they're off. Okay, the champion's looking really good, I must say, out there. He shoots a little something. Ooh, cuts him with a nice little chin check. Oh, the champion's looking really good. That's a miss by the champion. There's another miss. Look like Tommy's gonna make it pay for it with a slow-mo. Oh, first time the champion's been hit. He's upset. Oh, that's a three-piece toast. Ooh. Yeah, he done knocked him the fuck out. Yo, dog, the British is coming, along with the Queen of England to Richmond, Virginia, where everybody and their grandmama's out to catch a glimpse of the Queen. And we at BigLipTV want to know why is BigLipTV, the royal episode. What's your name?
Kathleen Cox.
How you doing, Miss Cox?
Uh-huh.
How old are you, 23?
No.
Okay, 33. I give you 33, that's it. I'm gonna give you 33. I ain't going no higher than 33.
Right. That's right. I did, but like I'm not gonna see it. The man said she's not gonna be here till about 3 o'clock.
3 o'clock?
So I don't think she has.
Oh, wait a minute now. You can't keep black folk waiting now. England, queen and no queen.
I think that it's gonna be the grounds and the, you know.
No, we said, what you think, you the queen of England? She thinks she the queen of England?
Okay.
You gotta give me a boop though. You gotta go boop. All right. Talking with a young brother right here. Nice young man who's gonna school me, give me some. What's your name, brother?
Charles.
Charles.
I love that.
Young. Where you from, Mr. Charles?
I'm from Carolina.
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 Born here in Virginia?
Born here in Virginia. Education. You know, learn to read so you can read to learn. And, I mean, because they, being informed, you have infinite possibilities. If you don't know, ask somebody. I'm afraid to go further than that.
That's all good. I mean, you don't want to get too deep, you know. I don't want to come to lick it, but anyway, we let that go. I want to thank you, Mr. Charles.
Hey, my pleasure.
Stop talking to us. All right? Long live the Queen. Long live me a little bit longer, but Queen cool too.
Hey,
BigLipTV. Oh!
We'll be back with more coverage of the Queen of England, but right now, let's go to the 106.5 The Peak Studios in Richmond and holler at DJ Up. Oh!
Being down the block is still #1 song in the country. Be on the lookout, man, for the remix with Outkast and Jim Jones. You know what I'm talking about?
Boy, that joke crazy.
Go get the album, Being Down Your Block. #1 song in the country, #1 ringtone on everything. So it's Mob.
Boy, Baby D checking in. Now the best kept secret. Don't count all stars in the building, man. Just the movement makes sure you follow that shit, man. Hey, time. East side of County, that's where I reside. 24s on the old school's how I ride. If you got beef with me, shout it. We ain't gotta go outside. We can handle it right here. Put a hold above your ear. Guess the music was too loud, so you couldn't hear me saying this. That's why I started spraying this. Ayy, on camp up in the building all day. Say, hey, baby,
Being Down the Block, the album in stores. Check me out. Free Wild Jane, you know what I'm talking about? We gonna do it like this. Yo, hey. Big on record, Southern style. We got these lanes sick. Treat your girl like some bubble gum. Make them chew our stick. So bad back, Monte, keep your trigger finger steady. Bustin' on these lanes. Certified, I'm with DJ Jelly. MC Assault, do your dance on that chick too. They was on, but they ass done fell off like football.
Front row, and I don't know.
Come on stage and walk it out then.
What's up? I see you trying to start problems now. Let me tell you.
We're gonna get the arena involved.
Chill.
Y'all gotta learn from the best. Come on.
You gotta come to the show.
Come on.
Come on. Yeah, you gonna come to the show.
A-Town in the building. Boy, Baby D, man. Ain't nothing but love in VA, man.